आहे तुम्ही मराठी बोले तुम्ही खूप खूप धन्यवाद. श्री डॉक्टर के.वी. रामचंद्र.
Honorable Chairman, sir, I am in full agreement with you, sir, in regard to the great privilege and the great place this August House was designed by the makers of the Constitution, and the privilege and the respect this House do have in the people's mind, and also in the executive. Sir, having fully agreeing with you, and also, sir, from student days, it was my dream. I was in student politics and I was in party politics. Since student days, I am in the same party. And since student days, I was dreaming to become a member of this August House to represent the nation in its high glory. Sir, to make my dreams a reality, my soulmate Dr. Y.S. Rajshekhar Reddy, the then Chief Minister, and our beloved Congress President and UPA Chairperson Sonia Gandhi ji helped me to fulfill my dreams, sir, apart from my other well-wishers and my party colleagues. Sir, my record in this House, standing with a banner, I don't think it's possible for anybody to cross that record. And also my record to be there in the well, also it's very difficult. If only Sri Purushottam Rupalaji comes back again into opposition, that may become possible. Otherwise, it's not possible for anybody to break my record, sir. Sir, having come to this House with great hopes, having bestowed upon this powers of the House in a farewell speech, it's not proper on my part if it looks like a criticism, but I will be deceiving myself and I will be deceiving the nation and I will be deceiving the people who got me elected to this House if I don't bring some of the facts to the record. Sir, I entered this House in 2008 and until 2014 I was in the treasury benches. Unfortunately, my dreams were shattered for a united Andhra Pradesh, though I tried my best. Now I am happy to be a citizen of Telangana, and I am very happy to get settled over there. Sir, February 2014, the bifurcation bill was introduced in Lok Sabha. And sir, the bill was brought to our House, this August House, on 18th February 2014. Sir, the comma, full stop, and every verbatim of the bill was designed and introduced after repeated consultations and with the agreement of the then opposition, and unfortunately both leaders of the opposition in Lok Sabha, our great leader Srimati Sushma ji, and the leader of opposition in this House, Sri Arun Jaitley ji, are no more. Sir, Coming to the bifurcation bill, the Honorable Prime Minister at the time, Dr. Manmohan Singh, the government under the UPA leadership of Srimati Sonia Gandhi gave many assurances, and they have brought out an act saying it's the act of Andhra Pradesh Bifurcation Act 2014. Apart from that, after consulting the then opposition, now the ruling party, Dr. Manmohan Singh, as a Prime Minister, has given several assurances in this House, including special category status to the state of Andhra, to the bifurcated state of Andhra Pradesh, and national project status for Polavaram, saying specifically that the Polavaram project will be completed expediently. The total cost of the project will be borne by the central government, including rehabilitation and resettlement, including enhancement of the rates. Sir, and it was made the part of the act also, sir. And also there were several other assurances given on the floor of the House. Sir, the present ruling party is also, I am repeating and reminding again to this House, the present ruling party is also a party to that, sir. Sir, I tried my level best to bring out the misery, the injustice, the hardship faced by the residual state of Andhra Pradesh in this highest form of democracy. But I am sorry to say, so far I was not able to do justice to my state.
Right.
Sir, please excuse me, sir. Sir, I was told, farewell speech, we will be given enough time, sir.
No, fair. That's why I've given you enough time.
Sir,
Farewell.
sir,
Well,
sir,
speak
sir,
up.
you are showing little uneasiness.
No. You know the face reading also. Please,
Sir.
Doctor.
Our beloved Prime Minister, while entering into Parliament in 2014, very appreciably touched his forehead to the stairs of this Parliament and then entered the Parliament, sir. Sir, the entire nation was moved by this act, sir. He has carried the entire nation on that day, sir. Sir, but coming into practical reality, he did not do justice for his gesture, sir. Sir, he told time and again.
Issue, please. The farewell we don't make criticism of each other.
Sir.
Six of them are going to speak, then there will be a problem for me.
Yes, sir.
Make your point.
I am sorry, I should be excused. Sir, I am honestly telling Prakash Javadekar ji and Honorable Home Minister, this is no politics. I am leaving this House with a heavy heart. If my party permits, I will come back to fight for my state.
Good.
For the For the assurances given by this House, I will fight for the assurances given by this House to the nation. I will stand for them if my health and if my destiny permits me. Sir, this special category status, when it was announced for 5 years by Dr. Manmohan Singh on 20th February 2014, the then opposition and the present government party, they have demanded for 10 years, sir. I am just reminding this August House about what has happened on the floor of the House and which is on the record, sir. I am not making any allegations, or I am not bringing about any these things, sir. Sir, and also our Honorable Prime Minister and our Honorable Home Minister, time and again on the floor of both houses, they have repeatedly said how a great injustice was done to a poor state. Sir, it's on record, sir. They showed it as a model. Sir, I am begging them to do justice
Right, Doctor.
to my state. Sir, I don't want to make it as this thing. Sir, you are a great source of inspiration for me in politics. We were contemporaries of almost same age. And I got highest respect for the chair. And I don't want to make it a blame game. As you rightly said, the government won't be responding. But, sir, as chairman, I feel I have to remind you, sir, you have to come to the rescue to restore confidence in this House, sir. I beg you to come to the rescue to restore respect for the Constitution, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you for giving me the opportunity.
Thank you. That's why what I'm trying every day, to see that the things happen according to democracy, according to the Constitution, according to the rules and regulations and precedents set by the people. Mahantu Sembhu Prasad ji, Tundia.